An idea I have for better cleaning and actually heating up your house is, what if in this we had a sensor in your dishwasher that told you how dirty the water was very accurately. You have to design a very accurate sensor with this, so it'll probably be a mixture. But these sensors are getting cheaper and cheaper, and it shuts it down. Now, I'm not only saying dishwasher, but also a washing machine. Therefore, it just uses the right amount of water and continues for the right length of time. Because every load is different. Every load, some loads need more, some needs less. To do even fancier is you could have a gray water sorter. And gray water is not super dirty water or water with certain contaminants. It's like medium dirty household water. What if your system could tell how dirty water is and use it for the pre-cycle when if it's slightly dirty dishwasher water, it uses it maybe again for the washing machine or something. Or if you have slightly dirty tap water for rinsing your hands, it might use it to clean it out. I'm talking about like hand water might be perfect because it might just be slightly soapy, not even be that dirty. So it stores some of it and uses it. That might not be doable because the extra plumbing would mean extra energy in the sensors, but maybe. A way that might even work better though is if you pump medium dirty, not too dirty that clogs systems or pipes, has big chunks, and maybe little filtration into a hot water panel heater. Now, this panel, then you can add stuff that uses either light waves or just the heat, light waves and the heat, or just the heat to break down organic materials and more. These broken down materials filter out the water. And I'm going to just show one thing. And if you pump in air, with a little bit of air, it would even do it better than you have to pump in air, which is a little bit thing. But people have made incinerators for these systems in boats that actually help power the boat. So it might be doable. Why do I keep hitting the wrong button? Let's say you have an organic molecule. Let's take urea, because urea is, what makes up P. Well, it's not makes up P, but it's one of the main things. C, N, H2, I'm going to do H2 here. Oxygen, you burn it with some oxygen to make CO2, water, and nitrogen, or you can just make it into mostly ammonia, NH4, and some other hydrocarbons with some amines groups to it. And all this gives off heat. So the heat actually makes more heat, kind of like burning wood, where you're breaking down the wood, it requires heat to start, but in the end it gives off more heat. Then you can use this heat to heat up your house. Or other things. And with a heat pumps work more efficient than a regular heater. You can get it so much more efficiency out of this whole thing. It's just an idea, and then once you pump out this water after using a heat pump to cool the water down and cool up your house, this water you pump out to the outside world has been purified more. So when it goes to water purity plant, it gets even better. It is mostly remove organic impurities, so it won't remove heavy metals and stuff like that. You would want to cool it down because you don't want to corrode the pipes at higher temperature more. So that is an important part. Another important part is you need to find some pipes that can handle these conditions and not corrode themselves, because you have hot water with mildly corrosive chemicals. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or comments or criticisms or comments, leave them in the comment section below. It really helps out the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year, which is really hard. With your help, I think you can do it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.